Hi everyone, in this screencast I want to show you how to activate scale-dependent visibility. But first, what is scale-dependent visibility? I have a map here. You can see I have a points layer on top of it. And in this scale, you can see the points, you can make which one is where. You can see that in this region you have points, most of the points are here, etc. But if I go up, and let's say I do like that, much larger scale, I can't really do anything with this layer, it's just white noise. So I want it to be scale dependent visibility. I want it to show on the small scale and disappear on the large scales. And the best way to do it is to just get your screen to the scale where you want to cut the limit. Just right click here, properties, go to rendering, then activate the scale dependent visibility and just take the scale from the map. And now we are activated. That's our scale. If I go just a bit beyond, it disappears. If I go just a bit below, it reappears. Thanks.